Now, if you have understood purpose of life, so what should you do from here on? One, find some time spent reading on it. First, start working after reading on your social dimension. And social dimension को polish करने का एक ही तरीका है, start giving. For giving, it's not कि आपकी pockets बहुत बड़ी हो, दिल बहुत बड़ा हो. Define success for yourself. कुछ भी define करना, लिख लें, बस फिर उसको दोबारा उसमें add कुछ करना. Last thing which I have to say. Work on the purpose of life, work on your social dimensions, grow proportionately. You will all be great people to steer this country out of where it is.